Welcome to cimaselfstudy.com. This website is designed for self-studying students for CIMA. All the necessary free study materials can be found on this website. You can follow us on social media. All the links are provided on the top left-hand corner of this homepage. These are the subject codes given by CIMA for each subject. You can simply click on these tabs and it will direct you to a page where all the content for that subject will be displayed. As you can see, BA1 is the code given by CIMA for Fundamentals of Business Economics subject. This is the syllabus and you can simply click on this toggle button and see the topics that will be covered under each chapter. These are the links to download syllabus and to download study and exam guide for each subject. Let me click on this. That directed me to the CIMA official website where you can download the syllabus. And the next link will direct me to CIMA official website where I can download the study and exam guide for this subject. You can scroll down and you will see all the necessary information you need to know about your OTQ exam before you sit for your exam. And there is also an FAQ section. Here comes the most important section of this page. Video lectures, mind maps, study notes and question and answers for these subjects will be there. You can simply click on these links and those will direct you to a page where you can access to the free study materials. Lastly, you have the exam tips and best practices for each subject. These will help you to pass your exam in your first sitting. This website is mobile and tablet friendly. You can always access to this website via your tablet or mobile. All the structure for subjects are the same, so you can easily navigate to the relevant subject and you can access to the free study materials. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for your exams. See you next time.